Hello everyone. 2 years ago, BMW unveiled the M4 CSL, a track-focused, limited production version of its sports coupe that shed weight and gained horsepower. The German automaker followed up with the M3 CS, which saw the same power bump migrate to BMW's iconic sports sedan. Now, BMW is introducing the 2025 M4 CS, which slots between the M4 competition and more extreme CSL. The M4 CS receives the same engine upgrade as the M3 CS and M4 CSL, with a twin-turbo 3-litre inline-six boosted from 523 ponies in the 2025 M4 Competition X-Drive to 543 horsepower. This increased output mainly comes from raising the maximum boost pressure to 30.5 psi, along with changes to the engine management software. Torque remains a still potent 479 pound-feet. The M4 CS also gains unique engine mounts, which form a more rigid connection between the engine and the vehicle's structure, thanks to increased spring rates. An 8-speed automatic transmission distributes power to the rear-biased all-wheel drive system. BMW claims the CS dashes from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.4 seconds and to 124 miles per hour in 11.1 seconds. Its top speed is electronically limited to 188 miles per hour. BMW also claims it recorded a 7:21.9 lap time around the 12.9-mile Nürburgring Nordschleife track. The M4 CS has dual exhaust tips and a titanium rear silencer. BMW says the entire exhaust system is 8 pounds lighter than the regular M4. The CS also arrives with a specially tuned chassis that features revised wheel camber settings and anti-roll bars intended to improve handling. A cast aluminum strut brace increases torsional rigidity. BMW also recalibrated the adaptive dampers and the electrically assisted steering system. There is new programming for the stability control and an M-dynamic mode that adjusts the stability system's intervention levels to let drivers explore the limits. The other target for the CS was removing weight, with BMW using considerable amounts of carbon fiber reinforced plastic. The roof, hood, front splitter, front air intakes, side view mirrors, rear diffuser, and rear spoiler are all fashioned from the material, which also spreads into the cabin on the center console, column-mounted shift paddles, and other trim. The CS also includes highly bolstered, power-adjustable, and heated M-carbon bucket seats as standard. All told, the M4 CS is said to weigh 77 pounds less than an M4 Competition X-Drive. The M4 CS gets a more extreme appearance, easily distinguished from lesser M4s by the exposed carbon fiber channels on the hood and roof, as well as aerodynamic appendages like the front splitter and rear spoiler. The BMW kidney grille also features a frameless design that removes a few grams, accented by sporty red trim and M4 CS badging. The headlights have yellow illuminated elements instead of the traditional white, while the tail lights use the ornate style first seen on the M4 CSL. 2 BMW individual paint colors are offered: Riviera Blue and Frozen Isle of Man Green Metallic, the latter of which is exclusive to the CS. Other color choices are Brooklyn Gray Metallic and Sapphire Black Metallic. The M4 CS's brakes, meanwhile, can be painted either red or black, although opting for the carbon ceramic package makes the color options red or gold. The wheels come in matte gold bronze or matte black, measuring 19 inches up front and 20 inches at the rear. They are wrapped in high-performance tires, measuring 275/35 front and 285/30 rear, with the option to upgrade to track-ready Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R rubber. Inside, the CS also gets a 3-spoke, micro-suede-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel. Like other 2025 M4s, the CS features the new curved display that is composed of a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and 14.9-inch touchscreen. BMW will start building the 2025 M4 CS in July 2024 at its plant in Dingolfing, Germany. The M4 CS will start at Tonthof 4675, roughly 40 kilos more than the competition coupe, and around 16k less than the starting price of the 2023 M4 CSL. Friends, do you like the new 2025 BMW M4 CS? Write your opinion in the comments, as well as like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the latest news from the world of cars. See you soon. Goodbye, everyone.